Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a paper squishy tutorial, and these are the two ones I made before my video, and I did a bag of Skittles, and this one was pretty simple. It was just a rectangle, and I also made a little Nintendo, and I thought this one was pretty cute because I think the colors looked really nice together. And I thought they were pretty cute. This is the panda bun I'm going to do, and it has a round face and the round eyes, which will make it pretty easy. And so I just did a rough sketch on top of my tablet and then outlined it with black. I also added some black details, including the nose and coloring the eyes. And then I cut it out. I also need a watercolor brush pen set for this because I'm going to be making some little details. And I think I'm going to do it around the cheeks and the forehead. And these are the colors I picked. And that's what I chose. It has some hearts around the cheeks, a bow, and some polka dots. Next, I covered it in clear tape, and there was a little bit of bubbling on the back, but that's okay, and there was none on the front. Next, I create a little pocket to put the stuffing in, and then I filled it with stuffing, closed it up, and I'm done. I thought this turned out really cute, and I think it looks pretty cool. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!